everyone. Today we're doing something completely different. Building my very first drone right here in the desert. Wow, look at all these tiny parts. Ooh, this is way more complicated than I thought it would be. Okay, this arm connects to this joint. I think I'm getting the hang of this assembly thing. These wires are so tiny, you gotta be real careful not to break anything with these big hands of mine. Last step is calibration. Let's see if I can figure out how to make this thing actually respond to the controls. Whoa! That's not exactly what I was going for, but hey, it's flying, sort of. There we go. Now that's what I'm talking about. Look at this beautiful flight pattern. Well, folks, that was quite the adventure. From a box of parts to a flying machine in one afternoon. Not bad for a first-timer, right?